Welcome back. Joguli College will be hosting a workshop on filmmaking from the 7th to the 8th of November. Former Dean of Film and Television Institute of India, Samar Nakhate, will be presiding over the workshop. The workshop will also enable the students to share interest in the field of filmmaking with different professionals.
Joguli College in Madgaon has its own studio with all the necessary equipments. The Tiger Studio, well known by the students, conducts various short and full-term courses on anchoring, video editing, photography and videography for the enthusiast.
This is going to be a very basic workshop. First time we are doing through a college, right? We are going to learn also through this, and we'll be arranging next workshop within 3 months, which will be little advanced than this, where we'll be talking about technicalities, where technique comes in. Maybe camera, then lights, editing, sound effect, or even recording, graphics, whatever, titling, how one can do that.
The workshop will highlight immense understanding of film as medium of storytelling. The following part of workshop will consist of understanding the workflow of filmmaking. All the participants will be given time to develop their concept and make their own film. Our reporter in Madgaon, Samir Bhatt.
Coming up, we have news from sports. Sporting Club de Goa have pulled off a stunning result to announce themselves on the biggest stage of Indian football once again. The Flaming Oranje, who returned to the I League after 1 year's absence, defeated defending champion Salgaocar Sports Club by 4-2 at Fatorda on Saturday. Salgaocar, on the other hand, have unexpectedly got off to a bad start in the I League after having won the Federation Cup recently.
South Sudan striker James Mogas was the hero of Sporting Club's amazing triumph with the brilliant hat-trick. Nigerian midfielder Ogbakalu scored the other goal for the Panji-based club. Adhechidi and Ranji Trophy scored for Salgaocar. Our reporter from Madgaon, Mayur Naik.
Vaibhav Naiks scored a fighting unbeaten 100 to save Goa from folding up for a low score on the third day of the Ranji Trophy match against Maharashtra at Porvorim. Goa are still 115 runs behind Maharashtra with 1 day remaining in the match. Vaibhav is not out on 137 runs and he is crucial to Goa's chance of overtaking their rivals' total. This is Vaibhav's first century in first-class cricket after the Kankona-based batsman made his Ranji debut last year.
Resuming at the overnight score of 48 for 2, Goa had a disastrous start to the third day, losing 3 crucial batsmen cheaply. Regan Pinto, Vasant Sarvanan and Rahul Kenny were back in the pavilion by the total score of 67 runs. This brought Saurabh Bandekar to the crease. The Mapsa-based all-rounder joined the gritty opener Vaibhav Naik and began their repair job. The two put together a superb 136-run partnership for the 6th wicket. Saurabh was lucky early on as Maharashtra's skipper Rohit Motwani dropped him. Anupam Sanklesha troubled Vaibhav Naik a few times and had a few close LBW shouts. This lofted shot brought up Goa's 100 in the 44th over. After Goa crossed the 100-run mark, Saurabh opened up his arms and hit a few good shots. Vaibhav too brought up his 50 with this misfield. Just when the partnership was blossoming, Akasha Darekar bowled Saurabh for 80. Vaibhav continued his fine batting and took Goa past the target to save the follow-on in association with Amit Yadav. Vaibhav reached his maiden Ranji century and proved that he can be Goa's batting mainstay for years to come. At stumps on third day, Goa were 328 runs for the loss of 7 wickets. All-rounder Robin D'Souza was keeping Vaibhav an able company with 35 runs to his name. Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Omkar Falari from Porvorim.
And with this, we come to the end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Take care and goodbye.